Let me take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to this friend of mine, Mens, the CEO of Bisame Company Limited. Thank you, Mens. Thank you, Mens, for this beautiful gift. Look at this beautiful Strat, beautiful guitar. He saw this guitar online. He liked it and he said, no, this one should be played by my boss, Georgespratz. I was in my room when he surprised me with this beautiful baby here. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Mens. God bless you. Help me thank him for this beautiful guitar. He's supporting my channel. He's supporting my good work. Hello. Yes. I'm Spratz, Reverend George, and I'm in town today to give you something very interesting. This is a little trick in Soukous. In the key of F, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, mi, fa, sol, mi, fa, sol, so, mi, fa, so, mi, fa. So I'm going to begin by learning this technique on the first string only. On the first string only. So this is what I'm saying. That's the first thing. So mi fa la fa sol ti so la do la ti re ti do. Can continue. Mi do re fa re mi so mi fa. Okay, on the first string only. So mi fa so mi fa so mi fa. Then I'll go to the next one. La, fa, sol, la, fa, sol, la, fa, sol. Then ti, ti, sol, la, ti, sol, la, ti, sol, la, do, la, ti, re, ti, do. Then mi, do, re, mi, do, re. I can continue. Fa, re, mi. Then I'm going to add 3 notes from the main chord, an arpeggio. So I can play on the first chord. I play so do, mi, so do, mi. I'm going to add a so do, mi, so mi, fa. You see? So do, mi, so mi, fa. So do, mi, so do, mi. So on this second chord 4. I'll add the 3 notes down. La, do, fa. And I'll add the next set. Ti, re, so, ti. And I'll add. And I can extend this one so on and so forth. So on and so forth. So. I can extend this one even beyond the first string. time and learn this. So, do, so, mi, fa, la, do, fa, la, fa, so, ti, re, so, ti, so, la. I'm in the key of F, and assuming you are giving a progression. F, E flat, F, C. This is a very common Soukous progression. Fa, do, so, do. So if you have just this progression, how can you create some beautiful Soukous lines to go with this? Get the notes of the chord and then do some magic with the pinky. What did I say? Okay, you play 3 notes from the main chord and then add some few notes with your pinky. So on the first one, I'll play so do mi, then so mi fa. Then on the chord 4, I'll play la do fa, la fa. And I slide backward the last note. So do mi fa, la do fa, la fa so. When I go to the chord 5, it's the same thing. So ti re ti so la. So do you understand me? So this is how it will sound on the backing track.